Под музыку давайте. Вы можете как-то нормально бегать?
It's easy, but life is hard. That's why I go hard at every line of these bars. Drop a hot song, take off for a year, come back with a track like I never disappeared. The road to success wasn't always this clear, so I got focused. Now I'm toasting to the year. Top floor suite, looking over the skyline. Mama, I made it. It's my